Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something I've been working on that I'm really excited about, and I think it's a massive gap in the MSP space. I built a free cybersecurity training platform specifically for Microsoft 365. It's got challenges that you can use that simulate real attacks, a point system, leaderboards, first bloods, and even seasons with themes that have giveaways such as a Nintendo Switch 2 as the grand prize. I know that sounds like a lot, but let me go ahead and start with the problem because it's a real one in most MSP environments. When was the last time one of your techs or analysts had to investigate a compromised mailbox, trace a phishing attack through audit logs, or figure out why conditional access policy wasn't firing? Did they know exactly what to do, or did they start Googling in the middle of an incident? This is where I see the big gap today in the sense of having a safe environment to level up your skill set that actually simulates a live Microsoft 365 environment and the types of attacks we would see, and the things that we need to do in the Microsoft ecosystem across admin portals. It's very complex, it's changing all the time, and there's not really been a great place to update your skills. Tools like Hack the Box are great, but they're often very focused on the offensive security, and they don't really simulate a Microsoft 365 environment or the day-to-day of an MSP. So I built something to fix that.
So this is Blue Team Labs. You can get to it by going to blueteamlabs.ai. If you click on Start Training here, this will get you into basic sign-up flow where you can sign in with your Microsoft 365 account or with a basic email. I'll go ahead and sign in here with my T- account. Once you do, you'll be able to see a list and library of challenges here that simulate live types of attacks and blue teaming exercises that you can do to help you proactively identify where you can begin to increase the security of the tenant, reduce the attack surface, but also understand how to respond from an incident response type of situation as well. There's a lot of challenges in here already that you can go in and start to complete, but they all follow the similar format here of, mission briefing, which outlines kind of a client scenario that you might have that simulates what we would see in real life, or maybe you guys already have. A lot of us have experienced a business email compromise incident. But I think the main core piece here is that you do get access to this evidence, which does simulate the Microsoft 365 portals so that you actually get real translation of skill into this incident and how you would see that if you were investigating it in the Microsoft portal. So these are the sign-in logs from Entra. And if you're familiar with this, once you click on here, you'll notice that this UI and all the metadata resembles the Microsoft 365 portal exactly, with all the same tabs and information you would typically have to go in and look at as part of that process. So it's really specific into taking a look at the replication there. And this is what evidence you're going to use to go complete the challenge questions or the investigation questions down below. You can enter them here. Sometimes they're free-form text, sometimes they're multiple choice. You can go in and actually hit the hint to get more hints around this if you're not sure, but that does deduct points from the overall value of the question. And so these all contribute back up to experience points when you answer them. You can click on submit here, and this will give you the reasoning why this was right for this particular scenario, and it relates back to the evidence above here. So once you complete this, you'll get badges and accomplishments as part of it, but overall they relate to different skilling levels and they have the difficulty here and associated point values. Speaking of points, whenever you sign up, you go ahead and set up a profile, which you can pick your handle as part of this, as well as your default image. We have some icons that you can leverage, which you can also upload your own profile photo. You get those experience points for completing challenges or seasons, which you'll get into. And you can also earn experience points for badges that you earn basically for adoption of the portal or through engagement or through skills that you've done over time, or even referring other individuals that you have here as a referral code as part of this as well. And this is where you can see your overall statistics, which then relate back up to this leaderboard. This will be universal across the world for anybody who signs up here. And this will show you the first bloods, meaning, the challenges you've completed where you were the first person to do it. In that sense, and I'll be trying to drop some every week for this in the sense of the global library. For that, you can see your overall, experience points here. To conclude here, as far as the seasons, and these will be time-based. And so we'll open these up for a specific period of time and they'll close down, and it'll be once in a lifetime type of situation, right? So they're all themed. This one's themed after Mario Kart because we are giving away a Nintendo Switch 2 to the winner here who completes all of these challenges and earns the most experience points. Each one of these challenges will open up on a weekly basis. So we'll kick this challenge off as an example, and then every week we'll unlock the next challenge for you to go in and complete. There'll be a specific leaderboard for this, and the rewards are listed here as well. Not only does the top prize get the Nintendo Switch 2, but you also get this limited edition, more rare holographic completion badge. In this case, it's a golden peel because also the Mario Kart theme as part of that. So very excited about this and excited to get you guys plugged in, but wanted to give you kind of that top level overview of just what exactly that you get when you log in and what do the challenges look like.
So if you're an MSP owner or manager or a technician or SOC analyst or somebody just looking to break into the space and level up your security set with Microsoft 365, definitely check out Blue Team Labs. It's completely free. Head over to the site and sign up with your Microsoft 365 account or email. Start completing those challenges today. Check out season 1 and register for that. We're going to kick that off on March 15th, and you'll have access to win the grand prize, which is the Nintendo Switch 2. I'll drop a link in the description below, but definitely go check out one of those challenges, complete one, and drop a note in the comments on what you think. If this was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button on the channel. I put Microsoft 365 security content up each week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.